welcome back to Outside the Margins mini video. This is For the Birds Tic-Tac-Toe Game Board Part 2. We finished off with the board and next we're going to do the markers. And what I did here was spray with the color mist, or sprayable vivid color mist, just on raw wood, and then dried it with the heat gun. Just to give you an idea, I wanted you to see the difference between the the raw wood and ones with gesso. On the birds, I painted them with gesso. And then dried it with the heat gun. Keep the heat gun moving because you don't want to burn your fingers or burn the wood. And if you want it a little darker, you can spray it again. I like mixing my colors. And this all cleans up easily with soap and water. Sometimes I just like redipping it in the puddles that I've made. Now, before I'm done, while it's still wet, I like to use my crystal glitter dust, which I carry out outside the margins, and you can just sprinkle it on. It doesn't need any adhesive, and it adheres it to anything wet, wet paint, wet water, and I just, once I've sprinkled it, I spray it, or I use the heat gun to heat it, just to make sure that anything wet is finished drying. And there you have the birds. And then next, I have the little houses, and I'm just going to stamp again with the StazOn ink and an unmounted stamp. And you just want just a little stamping of the numbers, like I have here. And then next, I have a piece of wire that I'm going to thread through, because these are actually like buttons. Thread it through. First I twist it. Use a needle nose pliers to twist it just a little, and then add my beads. Beads don't come with the kit because it's your preference what colors you choose. And then I'm just going to roll it. Add that bead back on there. There we go. There we go. Now we have another marker, and I do the same for this one. So there you have it.